Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we got another simple and delicious cook for you. We are going to be doing bacon wrapped asparagus in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. Super easy, super fast, and these are awesome. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. Alright, so this is what we got. We got some asparagus and we got some bacon. Make sure to get the classic cut or regular thin cut bacon. Just it crisps up a lot better than the thick cut when you're doing this. Now for your asparagus, these ones are kind of thick. Now what you're going to want to do is go ahead and take this end part off because it's tough and it's not good. So go ahead and take that. You want that part of the asparagus. Alright, cool. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick and we'll bring you right back for the next step. Okay, so we got all of our asparagus with the ends off. They're all about the same length or whatever. So all you're going to do now, you can put as many as you want together. I'm going to do 2 of these. At a time you can do 2, or sometimes I do 3, but I'm going to do 2. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get a piece of bacon here. Lovely, lovely bacon. And obviously it's bacon wrap, so go ahead and start with the end down here, and then just go ahead and, oops, there we go, and then just wrap your asparagus. Super easy, just like that, and then you can leave the tips up, just like that. So that is what we're going to do. So I'm not going to take you through this whole process. I'm going to go ahead and finish these off camera and then we'll be right back. Okay, so we're all finished wrapping these things up. You think they're going to be good? Well, if you like asparagus, of course they're going to be good. I'm not going to say if you like bacon, because of course everybody likes bacon who don't like bacon. Anyway, got them wrapped up. Let's go to the Ninja Foodi and get these things cooked up for you. Okay, so we are at the Ninja Foodi. So first thing we're going to do, got the power button. Go ahead and turn those on. Now we're actually going to be using the grilling function on this. No thermometers needed, no nothing like that. Just super easy cook. So down here, go ahead and pick the grill function. We're going to leave it on high, leave it on 10 minutes, hit start. That thing's going to heat up. Once it's done heating up, we'll throw these things on. See you in a minute. Alright, as you can see, it says add food. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. And I know it is super hot. We got our bacon wrapped asparagus here. Let's go ahead and just throw that on. Oh yeah, we're gonna get some sizzle for sure. Gotta love that sizzle sound. And one more, there we go. All right. So, and we're grilling, so we're going to go ahead and close the top on this. I'm thinking probably about 5 minutes or so, and we should be good. So, go ahead and drop the top. Timer is set for 10 minutes. We'll check in a few minutes and see where we're at. Okay, guys, so we are actually 10 minutes in. So, at about 5 minutes, I opened the top real quick, just like this, and closed it, just to kind of make sure the bacon wasn't burning. It wasn't. It looked good, so I let it run for the remainder of the extra 5 to 10 minutes total, and it looks really, really dang good. Now, what I'm going to do actually is it's not quite. Well, actually, it is crisp. You know what? If I let that. Oh, if I let that, you know what? I'm gonna give it like 2 more minutes to crisp it up just a little more, and we should be good. So let me see if I can add some time here. Ooh, Earl, and go 2 more minutes. So 2 more minutes, and we'll see you then. All right, guys. So an additional couple minutes ended, and we are good to go. Those things look amazing. Let's see if I can kind of zoom in here a little bit for you. Get the camera up here. Oh yeah, those things are looking phenomenal. All right, so what we're going to do is actually, I'm going to take these back to the cutting board and give them a test. Look at those things. Oh my goodness. Those are nice and crispy. I can't wait to try. See you in a minute. All right, guys, so we are finished with the cook. And look at that, bacon looks awesome. The asparagus looks good. So they're still hot, but haha, I'm still gonna take a bite for you. Nice. Let's see, let's do it. Oh man, those are so good. That is crispy, and the asparagus actually has some crunch to it still. I can't believe that. So good. All right, let me meet you up top. All right, so we are finished with the cook, and we got some awesome bacon wrapped asparagus. Look at that. Bacon is cooked perfectly. The asparagus is soft and still has a little crunch to it. And you hear that crunch? That's the bacon. And the asparagus still has some snap to it. I love it. That's awesome. So anyway, that's how you do bacon wrapped asparagus in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill. Super simple, easy, delicious, awesome. So anyway, if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit that bell for notifications to get my future videos. Please give a thumbs up and leave an awesome comment. With that being said, well, you know I'm gonna enjoy the rest of these. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next cook.